Sherilyn. Today episode is a little different. No advice, no pretending, just honesty. Because the truth is, some days just hurt. You wake up and you don't know why your chest feels heavy. You try to smile, but it doesn't feel real. You go through your day like everything is okay, but deep inside, you're tired. Tired of overthinking, tired of pretending, tired of being strong all the time. Silent battles. You know what's the hardest part? It's when you're fighting battles that no one else can see. People think you're okay just because you don't complain, but they don't hear the thoughts in your mind. They don't feel the weight in your heart, and sometimes you don't even know how to explain it yourself. Feeling alone. There are moments when you feel alone, even when you're surrounded by people. Parang wala talagang nakakaintindi. Parang ikaw lang yung ganito. And you start to question yourself. Bakit ako ganito? Why do I feel this way? But let me tell you something, your feelings are valid. Breaking quietly. Not all breakdowns are loud. Some happen in silence, in your room, late at night, when everyone else is asleep. You cry quietly, you wipe your tears, and then the next day, you act like nothing happened. Gentle reminder, if you're listening to this right now and you feel happy, please hear this. You don't have to be strong all the time. It's okay to pause. It's okay to feel. It's okay to not be okay. You are human and you are allowed to break sometimes. And even if it doesn't feel like it right now, this pain won't stay forever. Slowly, quietly, you will heal. Thank you for listening and for staying. This is Geraldine. If no one told you today, I'm proud of you for surviving. See you when you're ready again.